Alright, so in the previous videos we went over this tool, how it works, even showed you some of the hidden sheets that make all this stuff work. But let's say now you're like, great Frank, I'm just like you and I want to use this. How do I go about doing it? Because right now I can only view it. Do I request edit access? What do I do? So the short answer is you just need to make a copy. So you go File, make a copy, and then you'd save it. And while it's loading, you can see here, everything's there for you, right? Go in here, now you can change stuff, you can delete it. And the beauty is later on, if, say I make an update to it, all you need to do is go in here and make another copy, just like we did. Make a brand new copy of the whole file. And then in your old file, you'll just copy your old garage into your new garage, and it's updated. It's pretty simple. So once again, just recapping the steps here. You're going to go into the master copy, which is the one I have. You go to File, make a copy. Name it whatever you want. You save it. And everything loads for you. And then you go into your original one, right click, copy, and then you're going to paste values, and boom, you can see it updated. And that's all there is to it.